Alright, on this second video for RMA 23095 on Thursday, February the 15th, we have the unit up and running. At this point, we have 11.6 volts. The unit is up and running. We have our load, and we're actually not shorting out as we were doing before. We actually have a resistive load, and we have 67 amps. This is arbitrarily. And what I want to point out is that we have the magenta or pink channel. It's our AC waveform going in. The blue channel, it's our DC output voltage, and we notice that they are in phase as the resistance is as the load is purely resistive. And I'm going to ask now Tony to change the current command on positions 3 and 4, on positions 5 and 6, like 0 to 10 current command. So we have 65 amps, 40. You can stop right there, Tony. We have 24 amps. We have a reduced output and we have a reduced current. So now let's go ahead and start slowly increasing. But what I want to show is our 2 volt threshold on the field loss level never changed, because we had left it at 2 volts on R1 on the PTIFL board. The signal that it's being compared against that on the PTIFL, it's recorded here, and what we have, it's approximately 23.7 amps. The feedback is 24 volts, and our threshold it's at 2. So let's go ahead and slowly, can we go to 50, Tony? 35, 37, 40, there you go. You can stay right there at 53. Or DC feedback is, or DC current feedback is 0.54, approximately proportional to the actual current. The threshold hasn't changed, and we have more output and more current. Let's go ahead and bring it now to 80, 85 amps, Tony. At 52, 60, 65. Take a look, Tony. 73, 75. A bit more. That's good right there. So we have 81 amps, or feedback is 0.83 into the PTIFL. The threshold hasn't changed, and now we have a bit more output. So let's go ahead. Now we have 80 amps, and we can see our output. Let's go ahead and do a polarity transition at 80 amps. See now that we have the same output. Well, we have the output voltage that changed. We have the AC current, and now we have the same current, and we have the same feedback, and we have that 2 volts. Now, this is basically the end of the video, showing you that if we bring in the correct load, the CT is doing its job, and that feedback it's going into the maximum current feedback. It's 1 volt. The maximum threshold it's 2 volts. We could make a change there if we needed to, but overall everything is working fine. So this is the end of the second video.